my research presentation is on the effects of class size. We're going to look at how a large class size versus smaller class size affects student achievement. For my problem statement, I focused on how research shows that's been done through the South Carolina State Report Card shows that Blacksburg Elementary School is just of the average rating, which is actually on the low end. So my study is going to be to focus on how we can improve that student achievement at this certain school. It's imperative that class size and student achievement be researched more thoroughly so that educators can begin to explore the issue with large class sizes and find the correct correlation and the correct problem with student achievement. And I think that class size is an area that needs to be investigated more deeply to see if it truly does affect student achievement. In the book Rethinking Class Size, The Complex Story of Impact on Teaching Learning, Blanchford and Russell use detailed analysis of international as well as localized studies to counter-argue that class size does indeed make an impact on education. So this supports my research that there has been other studies, other literature that proves large class sizes do negatively impact student achievement. So that is going to be the problem that we're looking at, how we can improve student achievement to better help students and teachers when considering class size.